taking a picture of a ride. It's so nice. Just look at.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, this is our first time doing it here. And we just, when it was really dark.
Still recording?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is so fast. Okay, I'm just going to try to hold the side. What if we accidentally do it there and then we push it, it accidentally open and we fall down? Okay, so we have to find somewhere to hold. No! No, I'm scared! Ah! Ah! Oh, look, oh, no!
Scared? Oh, it's not even scary.